Hi, today we're going to see how to place a text behind an object in Photopea. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to type my text. So I'm just going to select the type tool, left click here, and left click. And now for the font, I'm going to choose Lobster here. So here it is. And I'm just going to, so for the size, I'm going to go with 500. And then, so here, press enter. So it's too much. We'll go with 400. So now I'm just going to change the color to white, press OK. And now I'm just going to type my text. So I'm going to increase it to 450. So select it and then increase it. So here it is. And now select the move tool. I'm just going to place it like this. And now I'm just going to transform this text here. So go to edit, transform, and now just click on skew. So now I'm just going to select this handle here, the up, and then just move it like this. And then I want to rotate it. So here, so as you can see, the cursor here changed. And now I'm just going to rotate it like this. So here it is. And now select the move tool to confirm. So I'm just going to place it here like this. So now I'm just going to hide for now the text. Select the woman layer. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer, right click, and then duplicate layer. And now I'm going to hide the bottom layer. So I want to remove the background from this layer. So just select the top layer here, the woman layer, go to select and then remove BG. So here it is. And now right click on the layer mask. And now I'm just going to apply the layer mask. And still, for example, remove another time here to have a better result. So you need to watch and add. So now select the layer mask, right click the mask here, right click on it and then apply. And now I'm going to place, so I'm just going to show all the layers. So now I'm just going to place my text here right behind the women without the background. So I'm just going to place it here like this. So here it is. And now I'm just going to merge down everything. So merge down, then right click, merge down. So here it is. That's how you can place a text behind an object in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.